How cool is this? Right at the entry, they have our affirmation cards. Oh wow. Cute. We have like a little living room situation. And oh look, Masha, they even have a hat for sauna. Oh, and a view of the snow. So beautiful and peaceful. Nice. Let's see what's the view. This is the last picture. Look, this is a nice view too. Love it. So it is my second time in Sweden, in Stockholm, and I wasn't sure where exactly this hotel is located. And anyways, we're about to go for lunch. We tried to walk there. The Google Maps was literally sending us to walk through the forest. We tried and then we gave up because we're not dressed properly, and instead we got a taxi, and now we're on the way to go eat ramen.
Wanna make you happy and then she goes. 나만 혼자 남겨뒀어. 대화가 필요해. 너 먼저 나에게 말해봐. 너와 나의 이 관계가 달라졌음 해. We're out of time, so tell me you want more. 지나가버린 추억, 너무 잦은 다툼, 가끔씩은 지치기도 해. 이제는 너무 익숙해져 버린 너의 안성들이 난 더 이상 하고 싶지 않아. So baby tell me why not 너와 나의 그 차이가 why not don't know what to do with you but why not 너와 나의 그 차이가.
We're here for a workshop that I'm doing with Sanctum. So we recently launched special edition Sanctum cards, and the event tomorrow is going to be a collaboration where Luke, the co-founder of Sanctum, is going to do Sanctum movement. I'm going to do an affirmation workshop, and yeah, it's going to be really cool. Masha, first impression of Sweden?
I love it. It's beautiful.
We just had really nice coffee. We're going to do a little walk before the sun sets, and then we're going to head back to the hotel and maybe have a little spa time.
Yes, sauna.
Guys, my book is out on Monday.
How are you feeling, Mimi, about your book being out on Monday?
I mean, I'm still a little overwhelmed because it's the first book that I'm publishing with a publisher. It's not self-published, and I feel like I really wanted to do well because they trusted in me to do this. And also I really care about what I've written about, which is all about life transitions. And, you know, as humans, we'll all go through so many life transitions over the course of our lives. And I wish I knew about this book when I personally went through my recent breakup with Alex, because for me that was such a scary and overwhelming time. And yeah, I'm just excited that it's going to be out. So I'm excited and I'm scared and I'm slightly overwhelmed, to answer your question. Yeah, it's a mix of emotions.
What do you think will be the biggest take for people from your book?
I think it's going to feel like a companion that they can have with them for the rest of their life. Like something that they can pick up anytime they're lost or confused or unsure, or just they need a little bit of courage in their life. Like, this is a book that they're going to turn to. I have complete certainty in that. So I'm excited about that part. I'm excited about people reading and infusing themselves in the book, and having a part of me and me being in your lives, you know, like how cool is that, that this book is going to be like a little part of me in someone's life and in someone's home. And yeah, that part really touches me.
Getting her energy back. She was sick this morning. What happened, girl?
I know. I have a really sore throat and I have body aches, but I told my body, see, this is why affirmations work. I was like, I'm gonna get it all together and I'm gonna feel amazing by the evening. And I actually do feel better. I mean, I still have sore throat. I have a little lozenge that this beautiful lady Anna gave me, who traveled here from Estonia for the workshop. She's staying at the hotel. So I feel very taken care of. I'm so excited to meet all the beautiful friends.
What's the affirmation of the day?
I am powerful. We at Intelligent Change create simple but powerful tools that help people on their journey of self-actualization, help people live in alignment with their values and vision, and create their best life. And one of the recent products that we collaborated with Sanctum is the Sanctum affirmation cards that you can purchase over there on your way out when you finish with this experience. And they're very, very special. And today, my part in this beginning session is all about the power of words and affirmations. And it can either limit you or liberate you. Every word you say and every thought you think. It's our last morning here in Stockholm, and Masha and I decided to go for a walk before we even have breakfast, because we have not a super early flight, but anyways, we need to leave the hotel by probably 12:30. Good morning, Masha. How did
Good
you
morning,
sleep?
world. We're gonna try and cross the frozen lake. Just practice called misoji. It's a Japanese practice where you put yourself for something uncomfortable every day.
And you, right?
And you, so a frozen lake, it's about like, you know, we grew up in Eastern Europe where when the lake freezes in winter, we always told like, don't go there, might crack and might get...
Listen, parts of it are not frozen. I'm gonna show you. Like, look.
Well, let me try. Cross it.
You're gonna cross the lake. Okay. It is very slippery. We're asking a local. So the lovely Swedish lady.
Apparently people do fall quite often into the lake. So.
Yeah, she spent like 10
And they
minutes.
have equipment, you have to come with equipment. So not today, Satan.
Basically, she said, walk at your own risk. A lot of the people who skate on this lake every single day, they bring the safety equipment. And of course, there's many people who go without safety equipment, but it is definitely
no equipment.
at your own risk.
just have London equipment.
We have trainers, so forget
I
it.
have like a coat, a wool coat, and we have trainers.
It is such a beautiful, fresh day. Like, wow, we are so lucky with the weather.
How beautiful.
It's so magical. сегодня именно пошли. Ты видишь, как нам... Вот ты понимаешь, что это жизнь, это кино? Потому что вот он именно вот сейчас самый...
Okay, now. Woo! Yes, now it feels like snow.
I want to try this thing.
Which one? This looks good. What's
This
inside?
is like a croissant with a melted cheese. Look at that. It's got melted cheese, but to be honest, the cheese hasn't really melted all that much. Okay, let's see. You see melting?
Looks good.
It's nice.